I didn't see a whole lot of videos on this, but there's a few. Just going to be rebuilding this Polaris front diff. I think this one's out of an 06 Sportsman, but I think the Ranger has the same one. So I'm just going to start by taking these bolts off this cover here, and then I'll give it a couple taps and we'll split that out. Awesome. Piece here. And I think that this piece just comes out of here like this. Yep. Oh yeah, that's destroyed. Yep. So that comes out just like that. Take these 4 bolts out here. Just trying to figure out the socket. It's a 1/2-inch socket for the rest of them anyway. We can just probably tap on that. Yep. Tap on that. Maybe flip it around. Came right out, just like that. That's how it comes out, just like this. Grab a socket or something. Like that. That's out of that bearing. Now for the rest of it, see if we can pop this seal out here. We're not going to be reusing this bearing, so maybe I'll just try punching on there and see if we can get this bearing out. Oh, it's not going to be nice actually. Just like that. Actually pretty perfect. There's a spring for that seal. Oh yeah, it's coming out. So to get this pinion out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try punching on both sides of these. Just use this old gear here for, it's got the hole so you can kind of use it to punch the bearing out. So I'm going to give that a try, and I'm assuming that's going to work pretty good. So I can't do that with both hands. I don't really have anywhere to set this camera, but you get the gist, just punch it out. So that actually came out of there really easy by just punching it out. I actually do have a press here, but I understand that most of you guys watching this don't, so just trying to find ways to kind of make it easy for everybody to do this. So I just kind of put it up. I'm just gonna pound down on there, and you should be able to get that out. One hit, it already started to split. So yeah, just do that until this little bushing here. I just take a punch and come in from the top at the side, and I just kind of punch around it. You should be able to get underneath it and pull it out. Hard to do with 2 hands or 1 hand. I mean, yeah, that old little bushing there. I just pounded in the sides, and then it just kind of came out with a pair of pliers. So not too bad. And for this, I'm just gonna take this, set it over top, grab a socket, and hit on that again. Awesome. Just like that. Yeah, so for the seal on the side, pop that out. And then right before we pound that bearing out, we're gonna flip this over. There is a retaining ring on here. So let's get a screwdriver or something. There it is. Pop that guy out. So there. You should have this come out. Now we should be able to pound that bearing out. I need to set it up on something. Oh no, it's coming. Still might need to set it up on something different though. Out like that. Yeah.